You will not believe. I will.
Engaging Mr. Bhattacharya shows that he
Yes.
is above the health
Even more.
secretary.
The doctors working in the hospital who are presently um, presently protesting have to be given adequate protection, or else they would not be in a position to discharge their duties. No, the victims' parents are here.
Your Lordship, they
You
may.
don't have better interest than
No,
them.
no, not.
State police will provide appropriate escort.
Kindly indicate.
That you provide.
Kindly indicate.
No, you make a prayer.
But I have.
No, we don't want in somebody's writ petition. We can't be issuing this direction.
And as you know.
IFSC, we found your client to be a very powerful person.
What I was humbly beseeching your Lordship is some protection through any agency, my Lord, state, central, my Lord, to be granted to me.
Wait. If suppose your client is unable to move out of the house, which according to the learned ground pleader may not be correct because he has been given sufficient protection.
No protection to Sandeep Ghosh.
No, you please give protection so that they will, with a
we'll go to this
convoy, he can attend the office of CP.
About 10 yes, 10 persons installed nearby with HRFS, which is the high radio frequency unit with them.
All right. He has to.
That is not Sandeep. I am appearing for Dr. Sandeep Ghosh in person. I mean, the doctor concerned who has been, directed to go on, leave. By your Lordship's order, he is on leave. He has proceeded on leave.
So, if suppose you find it apprehensive to travel to CBI office to give the statement, state police will provide appropriate escort.
Kindly indicate.
That you provide.
Kindly indicate.
No, you make a prayer.
But I have.
No, we don't want in somebody's writ petition. We can't be issuing this direction.
And as you know.
IFSC, we found your client to be a very powerful person.
He is not
power be exercised by himself with the state government. They will provide a pilot escort.
Had he been so powerful, he wouldn't have engaged us. You're engaging me, it shows that he's not powerful.
No.
That shows he is even more powerful.
You will not believe.
Engaging Mr. Bhattacharya shows that he is above the health
Even more.
secretary.
Suppose he has gone to the High Court Legal Services Committee and said that I know because of all these problems, please give us a panel counsel. Then it's when he is you, then it means got all the wherewithal. They will definitely provide you. We can suggest is let the special team visit the hospital because government has taken a clear stand that the place of occurrence is intact. You just assess what is the type of damages which have occurred, etc. Whether how long it will take for the hospital to come back to normal, because the extent of damage is severe. The extent of damage is severe. All life-saving have been
not all,
broken.
Only the rest of the emergency.
No. Emergency is the first place.
I don't have the full instructions about the state of the hospital, but I will not make a submission in court. But all I can say is, I will put it when I'm filing the affidavit. I shall also find out department-wise how many are functional, how many is left untouched without any damage. I shall give that in my affidavit.
Let your officers visit, sir. They have informed about the incident. Let your investigating team visit. You don't require an order to how you have to proceed with the investigation. Please.
Without taking instruction, my learned friend is making submission. Is this the submission that the PO has been damaged? I want to know.
Yes. The matters have been listed under the caption to be mentioned and shown in the supplementary cost list. The reason being that this court received several representations from the writ petitioners reporting about an incident, an unfortunate incident which occurred in the hospital premises. At about 11:45 p.m. At about 12:30 a.m. on 15th of August 2024, when a large mob entered the hospital premises and vandalized being vandalized, emergency and other departments in the hospital. The learned senior standing counsel appearing for the state would submit that about 7,000 people had gathered, and on account of the unruly situation, several policemen were also injured. And so far as the state police is concerned, they have taken effective steps, but to prevent the mob. But the gathering was so large, there was total chaos, totally a chaotic situation. The learned senior standing counsel will further submit that the place of occurrence, which is stated to be in the 4th floor of the building, is intact and no damage has been done to the said premises. The learned advocates appearing for the petitioners would submit that indeed there was a attempt to damage a portion of the 4th floor, and after protest, it appears to have been stopped. To assess the so far as the investigation is concerned, the learned additional solicitor general on instruction submits that a special team has been constituted who are proceeding with the matter, and the CBI has also been intimated about the unfortunate incident which took place at the early hours on 15th of August 2024. In our view, the police should place on record the entire sequence of events which ultimately led to the unfortunate incident. That apart, what is more important is that the doctors working in the hospital who are presently presently protesting have to be given adequate protection, or else they would not be in a position to discharge their duties. Though in our earlier order, we had made an appeal to the joint action body of the doctors to reminding them of their pious obligation in treating the patients who come to the government hospital. However, the incident which took place on the early hours on 15th of August 2024 would definitely have an impact on the mindset of the doctors. No, the victims' parents are here. You don't have better interest than them.
No, not.
By the friends and others, they are circulating, but probably they do not know the legal implication of
All right. It is submitted by one of the learned advocate appearing for a public interest litigant that the photograph of the victim is being widely circulated in the social media. As the law prohibits the disclosure of the identity of such victim, we request we request the persons who are known to the victim not to circulate the photographs of the victim
and name,
as well as the name and other identity and details of the victim.
Everyone, anybody from disclosing,
Including all citizens.
Because everyone, because
it's a guideline by the Supreme Court.
That will be like a John Doe order. That will be like a John Doe order.
There will be just a reduction.
Equally, we would request the of the press and media also to ensure that the identity of the victim or the photograph of the victim shall not be published in any of the reports.
And social media.
That we have.
My lord,
I am a party by name in one of the petitions. One sentence.
Yes, in my writ petition. In my writ petition.
my lord, 337 name, 337 may be added.
And your lordship,
Act with this.
Your lordship is keeping this matter on, my lord.
337.
And my lord, I have already served the copy.
Keeping this
You
matter
have
on,
to ensure that copies are served on the
Copies
government
have
leader.
been served.
During the course of the day, you obtain,
It
acknowledgement.
is on Sarthak, copy has been served, my lord.